Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Holloway Ventures. I'm Randy Colors, your host. Please like, subscribe, and follow so you'll have these lessons available. Let's go over our expectations. Expectation number 1, you have to have a piece of paper in the art class. And number 2, you have to have a pencil. And today, you are going to need a cup for a circle. Something about this size, I use a red cup because they're usually easy to find, and it gives me exactly the right size that I need for my circle, because today, I'm going to create a picture of Wonder Woman. Yeah, so the first thing I want you to do is remember how we always point to the center? This time I don't want you to do that. I want you to put your cup in the center because we're going to trace the circle of the cup. I'm going to put a few fingers on the top to hold it still, and I'm going to press my pencil against the outside of the circle so that I can create my picture of my circle. Good. Next, I'm going to point to the middle of this circle, and I'm going to put a dot right there in the center. Because anytime we draw a happy face, the eyes go in the center. So we have to draw eyes and a mouth. But this time, since we're drawing Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman's eyes are more of an oval shape. So watch me. I'm going to do a sad face on this side and another sad face on this side. And then watch. I'm going to do an uppercase U underneath that. And since Wonder Woman has blue eyes, I'm going to do a circle in the center with a black dot in the middle. And then you can color her eyes blue. Also, to make sure that she's a girl, I'm going to make sure that I put 3 eyelashes on the side. Good. Next, watch me. In between the eyes and the bottom, right in the center, I'm going to put a little dot there. And the next thing I'm going to do is the same way we drew sad faces up here. Watch this. I'm going to do 2 small sad faces down here. 2 upside down U's, you could call it. I'm also going to do like a side of a triangle on the side like this to make her nose. Next, watch me. In between the nose and the chin, right in the middle, I'm going to put a dot there, and I'm going to draw a line across that dot, almost in between the 2 eyes. And then I'm going to put 2 small lines on each side like this. Now watch what I do. I'm going to make a long uppercase M. I'm going to go up and then down towards the middle, kind of like a triangle, and then back up and down on this side. And then Wonder Woman's lip on her bottom lip comes all the way over from the side, about that far. It goes straight across and then it comes back up. See how I did that? I want you to do the same thing. Now, on the side of the eyes, watch, I'm going to point to the middle and I'm going to slide my finger over here, or my pencil over here. I'm going to put a little dot there. And for the nose, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to come here and then I'm going to draw a large C on the side. I'm going to do the same thing for this side because this is how her ears go. I'm going to also draw a backwards one right there. And then I'm going to put a star on the side. I'm going to do a triangle line like that. And then I'm going to draw through that line in the center, and I'm going to go up and put another triangle. I'm going to do the same thing for this side. I'm going to do a triangle shape, and then I'm going to go through that triangle, and then I'm going to make another triangle up here on the side. Next, I'm going to put a rectangle down here for a nose. It's going to go straight down like this, and then across. Now, when I get to the top, usually I go in between the eyes and the top of the head, and I draw a line going straight across. But this time I'm not going to do that. This time I'm going to do like a large curved line going straight all the way to that center dot, and then I come back across and do the same thing on this side. I make sure her hair comes down to the side, and I also do the same thing on top. She has a band on, so I'm going to go up like it's a rectangle, and I'm going to do the same thing and curve this line up towards the top right in the center, and do the same thing on this side and bring it down. Watch this. Next, I'm going to do that same thing. I'm going to come from the middle. I'm going to put a triangle here. Notice how I go up and straight across. I'm going to draw through that line and then put a triangle here for my star. Next, Wonder Woman has a lot of long hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up a little bit, about that much above her head, and I'm going to pull her hair down to the side like this. She kind of has curly hair on the bottom. I could do it like that. I also, if I wanted to, I could do curly hair like this if I wanted to, and make a different type of hairstyle for Wonder Woman if I want. Lastly, I'm going to put 2 sad faces over top of her eyes. But watch this. I'm going to take my line. I'm going to turn this kind of into a triangle and connect it like that. See how I'm doing that? Because she has huge eyebrows. And then lastly, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to put a circle underneath her neck. And then I'm going to do a triangle on each side and put a circle in the center for my Wonder Woman. You can, of course, color in her hair. You could put lines if you want to, like this for her hair, all coming from the center. It's up to you how you want to do it. Got it? Good. I hope you enjoyed it. There's your Wonder Woman. Take care.